life of Glamour Girls. Or, well, I guess not a normal day. I mean, how we get ready for our day.
She's living on the edge.
Okay. So here we have Wildflower. Hi! And Jarvis. So, we're going to start. We're not starting with that yet. No.
I thought that was Wildflower.
Realistic last. So we start with the hair, of course. Because we don't want to get makeup on the hair, so we have to get it ready first. So, as you can see, Jarvis already has her hair up.
I've got to brush it though. I've got to
She has to brush it. And Wildflower, she just likes to brush it with her fingers. She likes the all-natural feeling of it. Are you good there? You like a hair thing?
Alright, I think my hair is done.
Thing. Are you going to put your hair up, or are you going to leave it like that?
No, hair's going up. You're on camp. You like to put your hair up when you're on camp.
You can see they're both going for more of a messy bun look. It's big in France right now, believe me. Alright, their hair is good. Now with the face lotion. We got some nice... Here, would you guys like me to pour it for you, or are you good? Alright, I'll help.
You would like to know.
We got some lotion. Lotion. It's
I love my lotion.
cocoa butter with natural. Gotta make sure the face is moisturized, you know, not letting it too dry.
Gotta wash the eyes. Wash the eyes. Get everywhere.
Just wash the eyes. It is toxic to us. Next is foundation. Where's the foundation?
Oh dear. Oh dear.
We're fixing to have your flushes and showers.
Right, so I'm gonna Don't forget your forehead, Wildflower. Next should be the blush. I'm just gonna let you go with that with your fingers. There's that for Jarvis, and there's that for Wildflower. You have enough for both sides, or just for Jarvis? Don't forget, you do want some up here. It out. Next is eyeshadow. You guys have a full square right there.
I don't like that.
Okay, hold on. That is okay. Why are you making it Wildflower?
I need a picture.
Okay, are we good on that now? down.